Hello, my name is Beline. I'm with Galt Pharmacy. This is one of the packaging we use for medications to help patients keep compliance with their medication and doses. This is SureMed by Omnicell. Here we can see the name of our pharmacy, the week, the medication, the week the package is for, patient's information, patient name, date of birth, the start date, the end date, the date it was filled, the expiration date, who it was packed by, our pharmacy name and information, phone number, and our information. Here we have the inside of the packaging. This has the patient's information again, patient name, date of birth, the week, the packaging, the week, the start date of the week, the end date. Here we can see all the medications, pictures, a clear picture of each medication, the name of the medication, the strength. If it's generic for something, we have the generic information, how to administer the medication. Here we have the information, 1 capsule by mouth twice a day. Here we have the provider information, the doctor information. Here we have the shape and color of the medication. Here we have the expiration and how the dosing works, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, how many refills, prescription number. This goes on for each prescription. And here at the bottom, we have the total of medications patient is taking. So here we can see the other side of the packaging, which states the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with the dates. Up here, we can see what time the medication should be taken, bedtime, evening, noon, and morning. It's as easy for people and patients to compliance because they can go Monday, they can have their morning medication, their noon medication, evening, and at bedtime, and following day by day. In the back, we can see the same thing, morning, noon, evening, and bedtime. It follows as this, and here in each packaging, we can see the name of each medication, the strength, the name of the patient here, and here tells you the date, which is Monday, the date. If there's no medication for noon, it would say non-use. Evening, same thing. Quantity of the pills is 3 pills for the evening, tells you what medications, the strength. The evening, again, in the date. Bedtime, same thing. Three pills or 3 medications. Name of the medication, strength. Here we have the bedtime, the date, and it's Monday.